so fitting locking fasteners to an XR5, mk2, ST225, or even a Fiesta ST. This does not apply to the RS Mark III because it has a 2-bot flange with its downpipe, or the Focus ST because that has a V-band. So you've got 3 golden rules you have to remember when fitting locking fasteners: lubrication, orientation, retention. Those are my 3 rules. So the first one, lubrication. You want to take some copper slit or another form of anti-seize. You want to apply it really generously to the threads. And this will ensure that later on, if you ever have to remove the downpipe, these bolts aren't going to be seized in and snap off in the turbo. They'll just come out nice and easy. So if you've got an aftermarket exhaust and it's got a recess for a gasket like the factory downpipe, fit that gasket. If it's one of our downpipes, we make them to not use a gasket, so you just apply a thin bead of sealant around the corner here, making sure not to get it on the inside edge there. Then just going to offer your downpipe up. You're going to take one of the bolts. You're going to spin it all the way in by hand. Then you're going to do the same with the others, only finger tight at this stage. Perfect. Now you're going to take a 13mm spanner and you're going to tighten them. Perfect. Now orientation. So we all know a normal thread, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So it's going to go anti-clockwise to undo. So the purpose of the teardrop is to stop it from undoing. So if we place our teardrop here and you were to try and undo the bolt, it can't because it gets stuck. If you put the teardrop on the wrong way, so you put it on here, that bolt is going to undo all that way before it then stops. That's enough of a gap for this to leak exhaust gas. So you want to make sure you definitely get it on the right way. So tighten your bolt fully. Pop our teardrop on here. We'll do the same with the others. And now retention. So we've got a stainless steel, reasonably heavy duty circlip. These are quite hard to get on because they're heavy duty and they're stainless. But you basically want to line it up, and if you can with your fingers, push it in all the way. You'll know it's all the way home because you can spin it. If you can't spin it, it's not gone in all the way. Now to remove them, it's easiest to get a small screwdriver and you pop it in the gap here, and then you basically twist it off like that and it'll pop out. If you struggle to get this in with your fingers, you can also use a screwdriver. So you want to line it up as far as it will go. Line up your screwdriver and give it a tap. Yeah, that spins. Perfect. Do that on the others. Job done.